VT65 element. Create data element. Okay. For built-in type, we'll use character length 45. Okay. So we're making data elements we can use, and let's activate it. Local object, data element. Save and active. Okay, it is active now. So SC38, this is what we're going to write. 65, 20th March, data elements. Executable program, save, local object. Okay. Data variable MAKT type MAKT parameters P matner type matner V MAKT. Check. Activate. Okay, direct processing. V MAKT P matter because it is not extracting anything. Data V MAKT type MAKT. Oh no, not this, not this. Parameters P matter type matter initialization. Now, initialization is basically uh, to enforce filling up an empty variable. Initialize. Initial value will be there. P matter is equal to 32. It will have as 32. Start of selection. F1. No. Okay. Parameters P matter, type matter, initialize P matter is 32, start of selection, and initialization P matter. Or maybe we can take this out. Select MAKT from MAKT into VMAKT, where Matner is equal to P Matner data dictionary table. Select MAKT. Okay, let's and select. Okay, select MAKT from MAKT into VMAKT, where Matner is equal to P Matner. Check. End of selection will be there. Let's activate it. Okay, 32 is initialized. Okay, by default, we take rear wheel, execute. It's not selecting. Okay, so why is not selecting? Let's okay, select MAKT from MAKT from MAKT into VMAKT from Matna is equal to PMatna. Fetch a single record or eliminate single to include all record. Okay, select single. We are not writing single over here. So, and select single from MAKT into VMAKT. Check. Is not long enough. Okay. Is not long enough. VMAKT, type MAKT. VMAKT, type VMAKT into check. There's no open source by select. Okay. With single, you don't need. With single, you don't need end of select. Activate. Okay. Execute. Right. V underscore MAKT. V underscore MAKNER. Okay. Okay. Now it is producing all the details it has pulled into VMAKT from MAKT. MAKT is the table. Okay. It has pulled every detail which is star, which is instructed by star into VMAKT from MAKT. When Matner, of course, was given and it produced the output. Okay. Okay. Okay, parameters p matnut type. No, let's deactivate this one. P spras type spras x. P matnut is equal 32. Start of selection. Selection is a block. We will study selection later on. Select single MAKT text from MAKT into V MAKT text. No, it is not V MAKT text now. MAKT is from into V MAKT where matness P matness spras is equal to P spras P underscore spras. Okay, activate. Okay, P spras English 004 execute. Okay, this is the detail. This is the P matner. This is VMAKT, and this is spras. Okay. Okay. Right at position 5, material number, position 25, material description, write MAKT text from MAKT to VMAKT. VMAKT where matner equals P matner, spras equal P spras. Right at 5, P matner and VMAKT and select. Okay. So let's check. Activate. Direct processing. Execute. Material amount, material description. Okay. And so we have another. Select up to 5 rows MAKTX from MAKT into V, where matner is equal to P matner. P matner, V MAKTX. It's not V MAKTX. And select. Okay. Check. Is invalid here due to grammar. Select list. Yes, right, Mac. Okay. And select up to 5 rows. The elements in select list which is in colors. Select up to 5 rows. Beginning to be met must be separated using commas. Why do we have to be MAKT, MAKTEX, PMATNAR, these? Okay, let me deactivate this. Check the 5 rows. Activated, and let's see. The elements in select list. Start of selection. No. Somehow it is giving an error which it shouldn't. SC38. But anyways, I've actually understood the selection blocks. But commas, why do we need commas? Because we don't have a list yet. It's asking for list. Where matna is P matner, I make it into VMAKT, MAKT text. Check. Activate. 513 English. Execute. Material number. Okay, no material is there. Okay. Okay, this is working. Okay. Select all from MAKT into VMAKT, where matna is equal to PMatna and spras equals PSPRAS, right? PMatna and VMAKT. Start of selection. And selection. Activate. There's no need for writing end of selection, but it's a good practice to do that because these are parts, blocks in which we write our code. English. Okay. So anything between end of selection and start of selection is considered as a block, and it is executed by ABAP in a block, and the blocks are given the priority. Okay. So that's it for today.